Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I recently bought a wax kit and I thought I would share with you what I discovered. It's one of those, you might have a why didn't I think of that thing if you're doing wax seals. So I wanted to use the kit to make some medallions, like embellishments, and I couldn't find a way to keep it perfectly circle. And I was looking around my craft room and I found my Scotch tape and the little circle that holds the tape. When you're out of tape, I hold on to those sometimes because I want to stamp with them and things like that. It's perfect. It's like an inch in diameter. It's the perfect solution. So you just pour your wax in there. It'll be perfect every time, guys. As long as you don't put too much wax in there. That's the only thing. Get your balance of wax right. And you stamp it. It'll be perfect every time, guys. If you're looking for the medallion thing. I love the organic look of the stamps. When you just pour it on something and stamp it, that's super cool. But if you want to do like an embellishment kind of medallion thing, this is the answer. So you just pour it in there, it doesn't stick to the plastic, and you get that perfect stamp every time. So I hope that this helps you guys. Give it a chance in the back. Look at that. It's perfect. I love it. And all I have is one stamp, so I will be buying more though. I just have the tree stamp, but I'll be buying more so I can make my own little medallions, my own little embellishments. Super cool. So there it is. I hope you guys like this. I hope it helps you. If you decide you want to do the same thing, you can stamp with a perfect medallion if you like. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll have more to come.